it's me, CandyCat1960, and today I'm going to be showing you what's inside a microphone. So I got my microphone right here. This is actually my lucky microphone. So first you want to unscrew this, and then there's like this thing right here. So yeah, so there's like little sponge right here, and then there's wires. And then here's the thing. And then there's a little sponge inside of this, right here. So, and this. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, I guess, like, these wires are, like, for this. But I don't got it, it's not working right now because it's not plugged into my karaoke thing. So, I just made a new Musical.ly, so I'll, post that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, all you have to do is like put this on like this, not this, or else it doesn't look right. So you want to put it on like this. Okay, and then you want to take this and screw it back on. I know that was only short, but yeah, and then it will look normal again. So yeah, that's what's inside of my microphone. I just made a new Musical.ly, so I'll be posting that, okay? So yeah, peace out, bye.